So it's the evening. I might pop to the bar for one. I worked hard today. But I'm just having my evening meal before I go. And because it's basically camping in a steel box, because I haven't got the kitchen set up right, I'm quite limited as to what I can do. So I thought I would show you my staple meal, which is pasta, beans and cheese. I've cooked my pasta off, probably overcooked it. While that was on there cooking away, I was sticking a new door on the back, temporary door. Can't quite see it. Anyway, while that was cooking, I've had the kettle on here, warming through, so I can have a nice cuppa, and then a tin of beans. Put the old dent in it, just in case it gets a bit too steamy, then the dent can pop out rather than blow the top off. And that's about ready to use now. So we'll pop the beans in there, and then we'll stir in the grated cheese. Okay, so like I said, they're drained. These are hot. I can only just hold on to the can. So I'll open it away from me in case it spurts out hot bean juice. No, I'm good. I mean, this is haute cuisine, isn't it? Now, you may laugh. It's actually quite a balanced meal. You've got your carbs from your pasta and from your beans. You've got protein and carbs and fibre in your beans. Oops. And protein and a bit of fat. That's my fridge out there. It's cold like this. Protein and a bit of fat. Stick it all in there, not. I used the other half the other night. Now I'll cook this up. I won't eat all that tonight, obviously. I've plenty left there for a bit of lunch tomorrow. No meat or anything in it to go nasty, so why not? And serve with salt and pepper to taste. I'd like to tell you that I won't be having this on a regular basis when I've got a proper oven and hob and grill and air fryer. I think we all know I would be lying. My wife introduced me to this. She lived on it when she was a poor student at uni. And I think she's regretted introducing me to it ever since. It's always my go-to meal. I absolutely love it. A little bit of salt. Taste test. Straight from the pan. This is living. Al dente. I told it was haute cuisine. That's blooming lovely. Cheers. There's something else I forgot to get out of the fridge. Hello, fridge. Now I know ostensibly that's a gas locker. I don't have any gas. So it's a beer locker. Now we're talking. Cheers.